feel very proud to keep in front of you the activities which we have successfully carried out along the Lionistic year 2019-20. First of all, I thank Lion Nitesh Patil for this wonderful mixture of live events and backups and making my presentation colorful. First of all, it was a very confident president who was well supported by talented Secretary Lion Advocate Arun Deshmukh and Treasurer Lion Balasaheb Toraskar. All along the year, it was tremendous participation of young lions like Lion Amol Bhosle, Lion Nitesh Patil, Lion Sunil Bhagwat, Lion Raju Desai, Lion Rutvik Aurangabadkar, Lion Jitendra Sali, along with senior lions like Lion Sanjay Churi, Lion Dr. Kulkarni, Lion Vishwas Mahajan, Lion Ashok Holkar, Lion Sucheta Munde, that we successfully completed many projects. Now for our activities conducted through the Lionistic year 2019-20. Lionistic activity number 1. Education and Literacy Action Program, which was done on 2nd August 2019 at Balak Vihar Vidyalaya, Dadar, wherein textbooks were given to underprivileged 60 students. Around 22 lions participated in this event. Lion activity number 2. Education Program Action Program, which was done on 2nd August 2019 at Dadar Vidya Mandir Mahim, wherein we distributed uniforms and books to 30 needy students. 22 lions participated in the project. Lionist activity number 3 was a Raksha Bandhan project, which is our landmark project, and which was attended by District Governor Lion Kamlesh Dalal and his wife Lion Mrs. Asha Dalal, along with Region Chairperson Lion Cyrus Surti and Zone Chairperson Lion Frenny Patel. The said activity was done on 14th August 2019 at David Sassoon Industrial School for Juveniles, Matunga, wherein 60 bed sheets and 60 pillows each were distributed. Importantly, Raksha Bandhan project has completed 49 years in continuity and well attended by 35 Lion members. Lion activity number 4, Disaster Preparedness and Relief. This activity was done on 15th August 2019 at Sangli. Flood affected people were given food and clothes. 2 Lion members, especially Lion Balasaheb Toraskar, carried out the activity. Lionistic activity number 5, Disaster Preparedness and Relief. This activity was done on 17th August 2019 at 8 different villages in Kolhapur. Flood affected and villages were given educational notebooks, pens and other educational goods as per their requirement. Attended even by Tehsildar, local government authority. 300 people were actually served. Lionistic activity number 6, donation of water filter to Shivaji Park Police Station. This activity was done on 30th September 2019 at Shivaji Park Police Station, Dadar, wherein the club donated water filter to Shivaji Park Police Station. 15 Lion members attended. Lion activity number 7, signature activity, Seva Bharati project. The said activity was done on 2nd October 2019 at Seva Bharati, Matunga. Lionistic activity number 8, signature activity, Shanti Avedana service for cancer patients. The said activity was done on 3rd October 2019 at Shanti Avedana Ashram service project for cancer patients, Bandra. 12 Lion members attended the project. Lionistic activity number 9, also a signature activity, National Association of Blind. The said activity was done on 4th October 2019, wherein 2 adults were chosen for giving swing machines at NAB Worli. Lionistic activity number 10, the signature activity, newborn baby with kids at BMC Hospital. Activity done on 5th October 2019 at BMC Hospital Mahim, wherein 30 newborn babies from economically weaker classes supported with hygienic baby support kits. 12 Lion members attended the activity. Lionistic activity number 11, signature activity, eye checkup and osteoporosis camp Activity done on 6th October 2019 at Park Club Dadar, Shivaji Park, Mumbai, wherein 88 people were served. 26 Lion members attended. Lionistic activity number 12, Twinning with Lion Club of Bombay Mahanagar, Health Service Project. The said activity was done on 7th October 2019 at KEM Hospital, wherein Jaipur Fort was given to 5 physically handicapped persons. Lionistic activity number 13, Signature activity, Service Project FPH was done on 8th October 2019 at FPH Mahalakshmi, Haji Ali, Mumbai, wherein club donated 1 tricycle, 2 wheelchairs, 1 caliper and 1 sewing machine to the physically handicapped people. Lionistic activity number 14, Diabetes Retreat was done on 13th October 2019 at Bhandar Gali Mahim, Mumbai 16, wherein 60 people were served and 16 Lion members attended. Lionistic activity number 15, Diabetes Camp. The said activity was done with twinning along with Sri Samartha Vyayam Mandir Dadar and was done on 14th November 2019 at Sri Samartha Vyayam Mandir Dadar, wherein diabetics checkup for senior citizens and informative lecture on diabetes was given. 255 people were served. Around 75 Lion members from different clubs and 15 Leo members attended the activity. Activity number 16, Signature activity, Center for Individual with Special Needs, MUN. The said activity was done on 13th January 2020 at MUN, Santa Cruz West, wherein inmates of the club gave 10 tables for the said institution. Activity number 17, Signature activity, Tata Marathon with wheelchair-bound handicap done on. The activity was done on 19th January 2020 at CST and Fort. Around 20 Lion members participated in the marathon supporting the wheelchair-bound physically handicapped, which were also around 20 in total. Activity number 18, Kho-Kho tournament for the sub-junior boys and girls. The said activity was carried from the 23rd to the 26th February 2020 at Lal Maidan Parade. The said activity was largely publicized in Marathi local papers and the said Kho-Kho tournament was attended by 800 players. PDJ Almighty Cooper graced the prize distribution ceremony. Lionistic activity number 19, Signature activity, Service Project FPH. The said project was done on 28 February 2020 at FPH Mahalakshmi, Haji Ali, Mumbai, wherein the club donated 1 tricycle, 6 wheelchairs, 2 calipers and 2 sewing machines to physically handicapped people. Past International Governor Lion Ashok Mehta graced the occasion along with PDG Lion Santosh Kumar Chauhan. Lion activity number 20, Health. A lecture was kept on stress management for hospital staff on 7th March 2020, attended by 80 doctors and nurses. 5 Lions participated. Lionistic activity number 21. International Women's Day was celebrated on 8th March 2020 at Bengal Club Shivaji Park, wherein diabetics retreats, camps and symposiums were held. 180 people were checked. Around 100 Lions from different clubs attended. PDJ Santosh Kumar Chauhan, PDJ Dara Patel also attended. Lionistic activity number 22. Disaster preparedness and relief activity was done with twinning along with the Delhi NGO from 26 March 2020 to 27 April 2020, wherein distribution of free meals to COVID affected people of Dharavi and Worli were carried on for around 2,500 people. Lionistic activity number 23. Disaster preparedness and relief activity is presently done from 1st June 2020 to 30th June 2020, wherein distribution of dry breakfast to Sion Hospital doctors and nurses were done. 200 doctors, nurses were served. Lionistic activity number 24. Disaster preparedness and relief activity is presently done from 29 June 2020 to 30th June, wherein distribution of 600 PPE kit to KEM Hospital for doctors and nurses. The important events. In the very first time in the history of Lions Club of Mahim, our member Lion Sanjay Churi got elected as the second Vice District Governor, and it brought a lot of honor to our club. Second, club had its first regular meeting carried out at Badlapur, and it was a picnic with a regular meeting. Members enjoyed. Two members, line advocate Arun Deshmukh and line Pinakin Desai, attended the RLLI at Thane, wherein both were given certificates of appreciation. Council Chairperson Hanuman Agarwal, MJF. Our meetings were conducted with a different format, wherein after the meeting a lecture of wisdom in his own field was kept from one of our members. Line Amol Bhosale, Share Market. Line Rajan Gupte, his beautiful experiences in gynecology. Line Advocate Arun Deshmukh, Will and Documentation. Line Raju Desai, Positivity, were among the lucky ones to deliver. Our club managed our meeting through Zoom during April, May and June and was well attended by our members. Many of our members completed the Lions e-learning courses, and also the Lions webinar was well attended by our members. We are proud that many of the zone and region activities were largely participated by our club members. The LCI was continuously updated by Secretary Line Arun Deshmukh and was monitored by the club administrator Line Vishwas Mahajan.